Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about that bar graph. How can make the bar graph in Weintek HMI. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First we will open our EasyBuilder Pro and here we will just click at any output or any this picture or word lamp. For example, this is the word lamp and you go to the shapes and here you will choose this picture and click it OK and place it anywhere you like to be adjust in the HMI and simply this is which size you like to be make, this is which is suitable for you, that's you can decide. And here you like to give the, for example, any text. This already in previous lectures explained about the how we can make the text. Here you can write, for example, this is TANK tank level graph graph, and this text also you can change whatever which size you like to be write. And this is the blue color. If you like to color change also, you can put it in the white color and click it OK, and this is your will be ready. Here you can make it. And next we have to be choose the graph. Here is simply this is the scale and graph is where you like to be choose. Go to downside and in the chart you can find this is bar graph, and here you have to be give the data register, which data register you like to be, which value from your analog or whatever any this data register you have to be choose. And also have a outline, also have a ranges, also have a shape. This is you can choose this all and after click it OK and place it in at the tank, for example here. And also one more thing you needs to have, this is the scale. Yani when like to be scale, this you have to be make it raw in the screen, which is your depends on your size, and you can after look like this is the drop. And this is color, if you can choose, this is black color I think, so this is OK and this is OK. But this we have to be place it on the, we have to place it on our this tank graph, and here you can make it adjust and this will be ready. And whatever your size which you like to be half or full, this is depend on your choice. And when this will be ready, and also once if you need the data register for numeric test checking, and also click it on OK, and which is data register of your in the PLC, that's you can click and put it beside the tank. And here is your in figure values will be can you see, and also this is here you can choose see the in tank values. And also one more you can put it on and off your in PLC system if like to be make it. So go to this simply this on off, where is this one, for example this is on and off anything. If your switch, for example, you can make it momentary or toggle, for example I will choose. And this is our M, for example M50 is address I gives because of this M50 addresses of my PLC, and you cannot place it on your any spot. And this shapes also you can change this already in previous lectures. I explained to you how you can choose this buttons and which kind you like to be choose this shape, and this color also, which is you need more colors also you can find it here which color, that's you can easily find. This is click it OK and again click it OK, this will be placed. And here if you like to be put, no problem, here put anywhere you can design it. And one two things more we will put, that's the lamp of our M302. This is go to the shape, and this shape we will choose, or if you need to be another shape like to be choose, you can choose it from here, your gallery, and more galleries if you like to be, click it, open this one, galleries, and here you can select. Here is a very rich library where you can select your all buttons and LEDs. For example, this is your LED, also this is also one LED, and this is LED. This is first remove, and again you can put this one in the add to project, and now this will be selected, and click it OK, and click it OK, again click it OK, and you can place it any, for example. And for example, this is your high limit. When your tank is full, after you can make it this on and off, and this is your the for your system on off, right? And this, now almost our system is ready, and just introduce, I will show you little in the PLC. This is M50 I made for, this is the execution of the program, our this bar graph. This already I completed this lecture, but this is will be in next video. I will show you how we can create this the mixer control for the tank level. And now just in this video only, just we have to be explain this bar graph. So in next video I will show you how we can complete this control with the PLC. But just in this video you have to be see, this is our graph cycle running. This is M50 is our execution main program on, and this is the, for example, this is our M300 when will be on, after our tank will be full shown. This is we have to be change the address in our HMI. This is M300, for example, this is the M300. When it's on, for example, our tank will be full. And also this you can place it on, for example, here, this is here put, and here you can make it control C and make it control V, and put it place on the downside where you like to place it. And this is your, for example, this is two of the two or your limit switches are your level transmitters, and this address you have to be give, this is the one MPT, this you can give the M400. M400 is our, I think so, level, and this program we will download to the PLC. I think so this is now almost is ready. Go to the download, and wait for some minutes, and it will be downloading now. As it's completed, we will make it run. Reboot the HMI, and now you can click it exit, and we will go to our VNC viewer. Where is the VNC viewer? This is, we will make it okay, continue, and give the password. This is my 6 times 11, and in each and every HMI comes default password will be 6 times 11, and if you like to change this password also, you can change this one, no problem. And this is, we now make it at this near, and I will show you, this is my program also. And see our now tank level graph is, now our tank is MPT, for example, this is our, this signal is on, and as I will give the signal, our M50 is on, after our tank will be goes to the filling position. Now as it's completed this 100, this graph is very beautiful running and working, and you can see, and also here is your numeric value also you can see, and here also you can see in the tank. This is your filling, for example, this is water, chemical, and what thing is like to be filling in the tank. This is now ready, and our here is your M300 is on, and this value is, which is we compared with 100%, and this is now running with and completed at 100. Because of this is, we will make it the limit 100, and this bar also we will calibrate with the 100. When it's completed 100, our output will be, for example, this next output on, and our this LED will be shown, our tank is now full. And inshallah will be next lecture. I will tell you how we can make the drain water and this the mixer, how we can make the motor on and off and reverse or forward. Inshallah will be next program. So in this program, just only this is the bar graph level showing. And so I hope this will you will be understand about this, how we can make this bar graph. If not understand anything, please send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.